you guys. How you doing? It's Kathy here, and we are moving on with the painting of the dining room, kitchen, chairs, and table. Finished the table. I have now completed one chair, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. I'm not going to show you all 4 chairs. That would be a little bit boring. So we're just going to I'll show you the procedure for using the Heirloom Traditions paint and the Heirloom Traditions deglosser, which is the first step to cleaning it. And then I'll show you my finished product. And I've also got a little happy mail. I ordered something from Goodwill, and it came in the mail, so I'm going to be sharing that with you and opening that up too. I hope you're having a good day, and let's get to it. So we are getting ready to start the chairs, y'all. This one is looking pretty rough. Here's a little before video. I sanded a couple little rough spots, but these have been through it. All right, so here we go. So the first step is to put the deglosser on. So that's where we will start today. And I have to say, it doesn't smell bad. There's just a little bit of a smell to it, but I am wearing gloves because I don't want to get any of this on me. These chairs are going to be a challenge. The thing that I didn't show you was that I took one of those abrasive pot scrubby things, and I went over all of the chair. I scrubbed it really good with that, and now I've got a towel and I am wiping all the dirt and grime off of it. So you've got to clean it really good if you want your paint to stick. So these steps are really important. Not a lot of fun, but pretty easy to do. So we're getting close to getting ready to paint. The painting is beginning here, and the thing that you need to remember is this is a first coat. It's not going to be beautiful, but you do want to apply a pretty good amount of paint. I'm brushing it on, and then I'm going to take a dry roller, and I'm going to, a little foam roller, and I'm going to go over it and get a nice smooth surface. I don't want any bubbles in it. The seat of this is, it's not completely flat. It sort of has a little spot in it for your hiney, so we'll see how this covers it. But you want to apply plenty of this paint, but don't get it too thick. Again, if you go over it with the roller, you get all those air bubbles out, then you should be in pretty good shape. It does take this paint a full 30 days to completely cure and harden. So, you know, it'll be dry to the touch, within, no time at all. It dries pretty fast. But for it to really get hardened where you won't scratch it off, that takes a good 30 days. So it does have that curing time. So you got to keep that in mind as far as the use, especially of furniture like this, where you're going to sit in it to eat. So I'm only going to do 2 chairs at a time, and then I'm going to let those completely cure, and then I'll do the other 2 chairs. These chairs are, take a lot more to get the paint on than it will when I do the cabinets. Cabinets, that goes pretty fast. All right, here we go, painting away. The dogs are hungry if you hear them, but here's the first coat, and here's one that has not been painted yet. So that's the difference. First coat. These chairs are a pain to paint. Okay, see you when I get some more done. All right, so we got a before and an after here, and I got 3 more chairs to paint, y'all. So I got some happy mail. I ordered some things from Goodwill, shopgoodwill.com. I love that. And I wanted to show you how well things are packed. So I've only had 2 things that arrived broken, and everything else has just been packed really, really well. Takes a while to get into it though. So this is a cute little lettuce bowl that has a matching plate, or cabbage bowl, sorry, that has a matching plate. And I love that kind of stuff. If it had a bunny rabbit on it, it would be even better, but I do have one with the bunny rabbit on it. And this is vintage, probably from the 50s, I would say. But I love it. So cute. And then I ordered a Tupperware, it's vintage, a Tupperware canister set. And what I want to do is, I've got my version of open shelving in the kitchen, because my cupboard is just, my pantry is just very small, and it's always overflowing. So I'm gonna try to store some things in these, but I wanted something that would be airtight. And I've got my eye on some other colors, so maybe I'll just have different colored canisters on my version of open shelving in the kitchen. So I love these. They're really great. And then today we got out, went shopping a little bit. It was so foggy you could not see. It was like pea soup. Just super foggy. I'm really tired of this, and I'm ready for some sunshine. I picked up from Joann's these little spring wreaths. They were 40% off. They were regularly $14.99 a piece, which I think is highway robbery. But they were 40% off, so I think that looks cute on the French doors. Well, y'all, that's all I've got for today. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.